This is the bathhouse, and it's centrally located in the middle of the campground. It's got the men's side on one. They also have cabins. They're in another area from here, and over there, if you can see that building over there, it's like a group facility to bring church groups or school groups. And there's a playground over there, and this is the women's bathroom. Make sure nobody's in here. As you can see, it's very nice and clean. They have showers. There are no hooks or anywhere to set your stuff inside the shower though. And then as you can see, coming on around the other side of the campground, there's a dumpster and a dump station. They do not have a sewer hookups at the sites. And this is the other side of the hill. But as you can see, all their spots are very long. And they've got a nice handicap spot here with plenty of room to be able to back in here. This is Bedford State Park in Tennessee. It's just outside of Camden, Tennessee. You would take Interstate 40 to get here. It's a very nice state park. As you can see, there's plenty of room to get around. The road getting back in here is real curvy and kind of narrow, but it's doable. And the spots are nice, and there's plenty of room, as you can see. These up here are on a hill, and you would need a smaller camper to get in some of those up there.